for the Tacorong City, we have jersey number 11 sa Bate, jersey number 18 sa Larda. Quarter ng laro ng Tacorong City versus Municipality of Esperanza. Wales, no good. Nakuha ng Esperanza with Rodriguez. Attempts sa 2-point shot. The Municipality of Esperanza or the City of Goodwill.
Hindi siya successful doon.
Bola ni Maikong, passes ito Ambroso. Ambroso shoots! Rodriguez ngayon back to Maikong. To Rodriguez, to jersey number 24. 3-point shot!
Tacorong inside. May magulong mangyayari. Back. And Rodriguez, 3-point shot is no good. Rebound by Esperanza. Still.
Shot ang temp. However, that's a fake. Mga kapamilya. Magbanwa is out. The Sakuragi is in. And with his absence, for example, babang ko siya for the second quarter, talagang magiging malaki ang effect.
2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining in this first quarter.
3-point shot attempt coming.
Rodriguez and Maikong here with a play to set Wales. At this point of time, Rodriguez with a speed mode inside pass.
Ating umpires, but then talaga namang umpires firm with that decision.
Nangyari kanina in the first quarter, ginawang advantage yun ng Tacorong. And Maikong inside. And will push the momentum for Esperanza and counted foul. Dito as Kilaiko will set the play for Team Tacorong. Pareñas, pump fake, 3-point line, shot is good!
Passes ito, jersey number 29, ang 3-point attempt, no good. Bola pa rin ng Esperanza.
And a sequence of play there, Kilaiko, tumagay, pero tula dito na traveling violation.
Tumagay, inside pass to Bayaw, however, Esperanza steals the ball with Rodriguez, shoots at 2-point. Kilaiko outside the court, naghahanap ang papapasahan to Pareñas, sa inside shoot, a good job.
Tacorong at this game. So, Rodriguez, passes jersey number 29, and a layup, pero may foul. On the territory.
No good ang mga kapamilya, bola ng Esperanza with Rodriguez against Pareñas. However, Rodriguez fails, but then...
Buti na lang nandyan siya sa likod to complete that play in the possession. And sa Larda, nakapatumba. On to the 3. Magsiset, Bayaw, Baltic. And sa Bate.
Talaga na, it's a good technique for them. Talagang to ease itong tension sa pagitan ng Esperanza and Tacorong.
Nasty play. Follow up. No good. And still rebound ni Pareñas. Quick 3 shot. It's good. And Pareñas inside pass is good. 12-point lead from 20. And that will be a quick 2. Pero Bayaw is there to save the possession. And Pareñas with a step back 3-point. Tacorong bago nag-end yung first half. Meron na-risk kagad nila yung 9-point from 20-point lead.
Supal pa siya ngayon dito kay Colipas, ano? With Ambroso. Maikong.
Quick answer there coming in. Set the play for Team Esperanza. They will call for an isolation for Sabate. And that will be a 1 versus 1. The ball for Team Esperanza dito.
Live na live pa rin tayo mga kapamilya here at Sultan Kudarat Sports and Cultural. Bayaw has the ball, passes ito Kilaiko. Kilaiko ngayon, inside pass, Bayaw. Magbanwa, super.
He is saving the possession for Team Tacorong. And
Kulang
Maikong
na lang
again.
talaga, dapaan niya lahat eh.
Yes, and Maikong from that possession. And Kilaiko nagmadali. But Bayaw is there.
A very good role dito sa koponan ng City of Tacorong.
Maikong, quick 3 again. From Magay, and Magay, quick 2 points. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Rodriguez, and Maikong. Coast is clear for Maikong. Down.
High standard here sa ating court. Pinapakita niya yung standards ng Esperanza. Talaga namang with Mike.
Number 28 here, post move, inside pass. Tip, snap, toe. Reverse layup is so good from Magbanwa, but second chance opportunity is good.
However, medyo minti siya doon, ano? Passes ito Rodriguez,
Agad sa Bate, rushing in for Team Tacorong. Kamutikan pang mawala yung bola and Magay. Of course, sa Bate.
Pareñas again.
will find
Good move. Shot attempt. No good. Kuha ngayon ni Salarda ang bola pa sa Seto Pareñas. Pareñas for a 3-point shot attempt. Good shot ng Pareñas. Nakuha ngayon ni
Ayan.
Salarda ang bola. Back to Magay. To Pareñas, 3-point shot.
Magay. Inside play pero still doon. Michael again. Where's the slap dunk? Esperanza again for the next possession. Layup is good.
With Maikong.
Jersey number
Esperanza
15.
steals the ball with Maikong again. 2 points are coming.
Takorong, crossover, Salarda, hesitating. Manap ng kaibigan, pero Kilaiko, natapi niya yun. And again, Kilaiko.
For the third time, with a steal coming from Esperanza, Maikong again for a 2-point shot. Shot clock, 3-point shot coming from Maikong again, no good. To Rodriguez, Esperanza.
Walang rebound doon, yung team Takorong, Salarda.
Side. And with their combo broken, ay malaking hamon nito sa Tacorong City na makahamon with score ng
And each possession, medyo wala ng energy yung team Takorong dito. As Bayo will put because yun
Gavino.
na,
Tries to shoot, no good, but Bayaw.
Esperanza, but it'll already give a big difference. Silvestre will lay it in. I think already on the 45-point line. And they're just burning this clock. Aguilona with an easy 2. And
That's it, mga kapamilya. Our fourth and final quarter ng larong Esperanza versus City of Tacorong. Score 99-83. Congratulations. Congratulations, City of Tacorong. Pasok na kayo sa semifinals.
mali, baliktad. Yung Esperanza yung
Ay,
pasok.
sorry. Ayun na ba yan? Nalilito na kasi ako. Ulitin natin mga kapamilya.